Welcome to Bible Kids Time. Today we're learning the books of the Old Testament. Let's go! First, we have the 5 books of the law: Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Next come the books of history: Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, and Esther. Now we have the books of poetry and wisdom: Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes. These are the major prophets: Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel. And now the minor prophets: Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. Wow, that's all 39 books of the Old Testament. We read, we learn, and we grow closer to God. Bye-bye. See you next time.